My name is Jordy. I have been at Webco for almost 5 years now. I'm a material handler and shipping. That just entails making sure the floors is continuing to run, pick up off the floors, loading trailers, anything else that needs to come in and go to a different part of the plant, picking stuff up for maintenance, just a bunch of different stuff. Majority of the stuff that comes out to us is a finished product, and so it is ready to be shipped off to the customer. Every day is different. In shipping, hey, we have 5 live loads that are here, ready to be loaded right now. And then we have to divvy up, hey, send one down to the north, send one down to the middle, send one down to the south. And on top of that, you have your floors running too. Or we can say, hey, we got the mill running today, other floors are PM today, so let's focus on this, and then we're gonna do cycle count as well on top of that. So you have 4 or 5 things going on at once. You just need to prioritize, hey, this is coming first, and I can take care of this, then I can take care of this. Whenever something like that comes up, we all work very well together. We've all been working together for 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years, some of us. It was over the summer, we did those 100-foot bells. We don't ever get 100-foot material run through here. I've never seen it anyway, so it's the first time I got to see it. My SBM took the lead on that, moving it through the bay, because it was a delicate process getting it through. If we don't have teamwork out there, we're not gonna succeed at all. We have a great camaraderie out there, all of us do. We all get along really well. We laugh all day. I mean, we poke at each other all day. I mean, we make sure to hold each other accountable, and we have a good time here. Being able to trust the person you're working with is gonna do their part as well as have your back whenever you need it. I think that's one of the biggest things for me.